Hernandez. I'm subbing in for my husband Ricardo Hernandez today, and today he's working with his son Madison, and I hope you enjoy this video.
All right, JunkGuys forgot to actually bring his cameras, so I have to use my Pixel phone today, okay? But today is Maddie's day on the job. That's my son right there, guys. Teaching him a little. I'm subcontracting Maddie, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what I'm doing. All right, Maddie, straighten out the truck. The things before we put them in there. Yeah, okay, yeah, I like how you're doing that. Keep on moving. Hey, you know what, bro? Mattresses, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, we got 2 mattresses right here. All right, Maddie, let's see. How much are we gonna charge them for these mattresses?
$300.
All right, hold on. No! Stop, don't even touch mattresses. Let's get back in the truck. We can't charge them $300. Come on, give me a better pricing, come on. Anything that we make today, you're taking home, son.
$100.
Ha! Deal! Square up, $100. 100 Dizos on the Mezos. I got the other one with one hand.
You got bed bugs.
No bed bugs. No bed bugs. All right, Maddie, get that other hoe in there. 1 Dizzo on the Mizzo. All right, guys, that's the first job of the day. Let's go to job number dose. $100 for Matt.
Okay, so you just saw Maddie getting rid of 2 mattresses from the shopping center. He made $100 today, so good job, Maddie.
All right, Maddie, second job of the day. Did you find the apartment? 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Oh, hold on. Let me read the text really. Yeah, let me read the text. It says, okay, hold on. Oh, that the door's open. She literally left the door open. Just open it. Push it. Oh. Announce yourself at least. Jesus.
What's up, dog?
Just get it.
Oh, this is gonna be hell.
Is it heavy?
No, there's just gonna be some.
Oh, look at the hole in it. All right, so Maddie, I read the text. It said in the text to hold your hand against the door and it locks. Oh, that's smooth. Let's go. All right, Maddie, what are we charging for this, Maddie? What?
65.
Let's go 75. Okay? Cake. This is cake. Maddie, you got all the little bitch jobs. What they say, snitches get stitches, end up in ditches. All right, let's go to job number 3. Let's go.
Okay, wow, can't believe somebody would just leave their door open and let any company just walk on in, especially the Junk Guys. But congrats to Maddie, he made a quick $75 today, and hopefully that mattress doesn't have bed bugs.
Woohoo! This is when you have money. We're at the 3rd job today. Look at this. Look at this backyard. Holy moly. This is someone's backyard. Look at that. They have an extra house. Anyway, this is our 3rd job of the day. We are coming to remove some cardboard boxes and just a few things. Not a lot of things, just a few things. And I got my son. He's loading the truck outside. And we pushed everything outside. So now he's just loading everything. And there he is, my boy Maddie, cleaning up. This is an estate. Actually, we're in Dallas, Texas, but we're in the Highland Park area. Good job, Maddie. You loaded it pretty good, bud. Looking good. All right. What is this, 3rd job, Maddie? Numero trace? All right, hold on. I saw that there's a cardboard box in that trash can. Go back and get it. Let's go to job number 4, okay? Oh, hey, you didn't tell me how much you're gonna charge for this. Well, tell me what was in it. All those little things right there.
Man, there was a lot of shit.
Yeah.
Little stuff.
Like 150?
Yeah, 200.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of little shit.
Yeah.
And then cardboard boxes.
Yeah, first job was 100, second job 75, this one's 200. That's good, let's go.
Oh my goodness, what a gorgeous home. They're in Highland Park today. That was Maddie's 3rd job. He made a quick $200, so I hope you enjoyed it. On to the next one.
All right, 4th and last job of the day, Maddie. It is the 4th, right?
Yeah.
Well, tell me what you did, man. How bad was it?
It was bad. Fucking homeless are messy as hell.
Yeah?
Pay nobody.
Right?
Trash in the damn place.
Right, so it was all scattered with trash over here, right?
This whole thing, we had to move those fences out of the way. It was full of trash.
Oh, so all the homeless had left trash and debris all on the ground. All on the ground right here. And you picked it up.
Yeah.
And how about this McDonald's hat? Alrighty. Good job, Maddie. What would you charge for?
Too. We're not even here to pick all this up, but
Yeah, that's something else. Yeah, that's something else. How much would you charge for a job like this, Maddie? What are you gonna charge?
150.
There we go. 150, another 150 bucks in your pocket. Good day for Maddie. Total. How much did you make, Maddie? His math is a little slow. Huh. Uh-oh.
500.
Something like that. What time is it?
450.
Yeah, that's the best part about it.
It's 11:49. We started at 9.
11:49. Over and out. Last job of the day. Peace.
Okay, so here we are at Maddie's last job of the day, which is he's cleaning up trash in an alleyway of a parking lot, which is very disgusting. Hopefully he doesn't bring anything home with him, because if he's anything like his dad, he's gross every time he comes home. So no telling what's on him whenever he gets home. So anyways, okay, so if you like these videos or like me commentating this video and you'd like to see me on more videos, because you know I don't think my husband does that great of a job commentating. So if you do like it, then comment below and I'll be able to, tease him and give him a
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're gonna be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.